Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install OWASP ZAP 12.5 on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on Windows 10 also. First go to ZAP official website, that is zapproxy.org. Hit enter. I will keep this link in the video description. See, ZAP means Z Attack Proxy. It is the world's most widely used web application scanner, free and open source. So click on download. See, here we have the ZAP 2.15. It is the latest version, and before installing, see, the prerequisites are we must have Java 11 or higher version. Open CMD, type Java version. Hit enter. See, I have already installed Java 17. Okay, so prerequisite matched. If you haven't installed Java JDK on Windows, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install the Java JDK latest version. Okay, see, here we have the Windows 64-bit installer, 32-bit installer. Mine is 64-bit, so click on this download. See, its size is 228 megabytes. See, download started. Go to download. See, here its size is 228 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on ZAP 2.15 exe file. Click on it. Click on next. Select the I accept the agreement and click on next. See, here we have the standard installation and custom installation. Select custom installation. See, we can provide the options as you like. Okay, so I'm going with the same location. Next. Okay, see, these are the options. Suppose if you want check the updates on startup, you have to select the checkbox. If you don't want, then unselect. Okay, I don't want, so click on next. See, this is the installation summary. Click on next. See, installation has been completed successfully. Click on finish. Go to start, all applications. Go to the folder that starts with Z. See, we have ZAP folder. Drop down. See, here we have the ZAP homepage and ZAP application. Click on it. See, it is loading. Now click on allow access for firewall. Okay, select the first option. Yes, I want to persist this session with the name based current timestamp. Okay, click on start. Maximize it. See, this is the ZAP application. If you want to automate it, see, here we have the options like automated, manual, explorer, support, and many more options. See, here if you want to create new session, select new session. Now we can perform the scanning tasks. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install OWASP ZAP 2.15 on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.